Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm AJ. Wondering how to create a chatbot in Telegram? It's so very simple. You can create chatbots, spam bots, anything you like. So let's get started. All you need is a Telegram account and a basic knowledge of Python. So let's get started. We'll create a folder here. For that, we'll go to use command prompt. Okay, Windows R and then command prompt. Okay, CD desktop. We go to desktop, and then what we do is it's a Python project, so we'll create a virtual environment. So create a virtual environment, python dash m and then venv and then project name. Our project name will be tbot. Okay, for that tbot, yeah. So it will take some time. Let's wait. I will skip the video. So yeah, here you go. You can see the folder here. So let's close the command prompt and open your code editor. I will use Visual Studio Code, Visual Studio Code. So yeah, I'll drag this inside here. And here you can see this is the virtual environment, scripts, libraries, etc. And I'll zoom it. So here you can see. So yeah, now we'll create a file, main.py. Okay, so our first step is completed. Now let's go to Telegram. Open your browser. I'll be using browser. It's up to you. I mean, use your mobile. So in the search bot father. Okay, and here you go. This tick, you have to make sure that it has a tick. Click on it. You can see here, and then start. Okay, so this is the main Telegram's bot, where all the other bots can be created and controlled. So first, the new bot. Okay, command new bot. Okay, then see, it's created and it asking for a name for it. So for this project we'll be doing excuse me, yeah. So for this project we'll be doing what you can say, a calculator. Okay, a bot which takes the input and calculates and gives back the out, evaluating it. Okay, so I'll be naming it calculator t-bot. Calculator t-bot. Okay, yeah, it's available, and it a username, a unique username, and must end with bot. So yeah, we'll use the same, and let's see if it's available. Calculator t-bot. Okay, let's see. Yeah, there we go, we got it. So the main thing here, this is the link of your bot. The main thing is this is the token. Okay, this is the API, which is the main thing which will connect your Python program and the Telegram's API. Okay, it is that. Okay, we'll copy this, select this. Yeah, we'll go back to our code editor, VS Code, and we'll create another file which will be sensitive sensitive info dot py. Okay, yeah. Now we'll take a variable API key is equals to, inside the strings we'll paste that, we'll paste this. Okay, so here you go. It's okay, it's done. Good. Control saved, and we'll go to main. Yeah. Now the main thing is we'll import that file, sensitive info. Okay, and then the bot token. The bot's token is the API key, sensitiveinfo.api key. Okay, yeah, whatever the API key is, that's the token the bot will be holding. So now this second step's complete. The main steps comes now. How the Python could create a bot in Telegram. So that will answer this. Okay, use this, which will open the command prompt, and make sure this is here, which tells that virtual environment is up and running. Okay, yeah. So the main thing is pip install PyTelegram bot API. This is the main package which we'll be using to create a bot. Okay. So yeah, make sure PYT is capital, B and API is capital. Okay. Yeah, and then press enter. So till it get installed, I will tell you why virtual environment is required. Why is it important? See, to create a Python project, will be using virtual environment because that virtual environment will make sure that the project is isolated. No other things from other global environment will come in. Okay, whatever the packages, all those will be installed for that project itself, not other than that. So that's why we'll be using virtual environment. Yeah. So it's completed. Okay. That package. We'll be using that package now. Okay. I'll minimize this. Yeah. Import telebot. Okay, import telebot. So this is the main telebot, and then what I'll use is I'll create a bot right now. So let's do it. Bot is equals to, hey bot, you are telebot. I'm sorry, it's TB. Yeah, telebot, your token is this bot token. Okay, say bot your token, your this token of VIK. Okay, so the point is the bot is created. Okay, the bot is created. So now if you are aware, if you have ever used Telegram bots, chatbots, you'll be seeing that slash start slash end those all. So that's a command. Okay, so slash start, so we'll use when bot dot message handler with the commands is equals to start. That means slash start. Okay, otherwise I will add one more hello. So now that's a decorator. Okay, this is a decorator. Yeah, now div send welcome and message. So what you should is bot reply to that message. What you will reply is, hey amigo, welcome. I am okay. I am sorry. I am a calculator bot. I'm a calculator bot. Okay. Yeah. So the first step is done, and then don't forget this one. Okay. Bot dot infinity polling. Okay. This is the main thing. Now let's start. Okay, let's run it. Okay. Ta-da. Okay. Oh, before that, 1 second. Before that, we'll be seeing if the bot is running, and if it's all fine, we'll print bot is up and running. Bot is up and running. Okay. Yeah. Now let's run it. Yeah, there you go, the bot is up and running. Let's go to Telegram, search for our calculator. 1 second, calculator T bot. Yeah, here we go, we got our bot here. Let's start it. Okay, start. See here, the command is start, and here you go, hey amigo, welcome, I'm a calculator bot. So you can understand that whatever we wrote here. Okay, 1 second. Yeah, pardon. Yeah, hey amigo, welcome, I'm a calculator bot. Hey amigo, you can see that's the welcome message. Okay, welcome message. Okay, so this is how the commands work. Okay, hi, start, hello. Okay, I will show you. If I say command hello, okay, so yeah, here you go. Okay, because I said if there is a command of start or there is a command of hello, you can just print, you reply this, hey amigo, welcome, I'm a calculator bot. Okay, that's good. Yeah, cool. Now what we'll do is, I don't want commands, I want to chat with the bot. Okay, so it will be text. What we'll do is bot dot message handler. Okay, and then function is equals to, what you should do is, because the user will be not using commands, right? He'll be using some text. Hey, what is this, what is that, blah blah blah. So for that, what we should is, this is, there is a parameter func, func, and then what we should write, lambda message is true. What we should do then, we have to handle messages, maintain patience, and to sorry reply to. What this will do is, it will take the message and comma. So yeah, let me tell you one thing. So right now, this is a calculator bot. What I will do is, whatever the message is, it should evaluate that text. Okay. So I'll be doing like f quotes and then eval, not like this. Eval of message. Okay, what I'm doing is, this is a must and should. Okay, this is like whatever the text will be, that text is a message that will be sent here. Okay, handle messages, and that message will be evaluated and that will be replied. Okay, that message will be evaluated and that will be replied back. So I'll stop this and I will rerun it again. Yeah, the bot is up and running, and let's see this. Start it again, doesn't matter. Yeah, so I'll say 3 plus 3 is equals to, okay, so eval r1 must be string. Okay, yeah, this message is not in a form of text, so we will text it. Yeah, I mean, make it in a form of text. Never mind. Yeah, let's run it. I'll close it and run it again. You can see, yeah. So I will say 4 plus 6. So you can see that's 10. So I'll say 10 force 3, I mean exponential 3, 5, 12. So you can also write like this. Sorry. So the result is, okay, I'll make it bigger. Yeah, so you can see the result is this. I'll say, okay, I will rerun it, better to rerun it. Up and running, and I'll, so what is 12 minus 8 exponential of 4 and then divided by 5. So you can see it has evaluated that string and the result is minus 808.2. So here we go, we created a calculator bot in Python, I mean in Telegram, using Python. So you can do much more. You can, take the text, if text is this, that, yeah. So you can boost, you can start with this, you can clone this. Okay, I will upload it in the GitHub. Clone this and create your own bots. Okay, thank you so much. This is the first step, and I will be creating more series on creating a Telegram bots with Python. So stay tuned. Thank you so much. I hope you liked it, and yeah, I'll be releasing more videos, and yeah, keep supporting. Thank you so much. Namaste.